Alright, here we go. Hi Hiro. Now we're going to show everyone how to sharpen this Masahiro knife. And the difference between this and the Kikuchi is that one side is a beveled edge and this side is a flat edge. So let's try this. 15 degrees you said, Hiro?
Yeah.
And this technique is a little bit different from the Kikuchi because as you're sharpening the right side, which is a beveled edge, obviously it's got to be the 15 degrees. When you flip it, there's another kind of motion, which is this, you just kind of come across. Just smoothing it out. And you go back to this 15 degree motion.